Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by backing up everything, photos, contacts, app data, to my cloud or a PC so nothing is lost. Once done, charge the phone to around 60–80% and enable developer options to access advanced settings. Next, clear app caches and remove unused apps to free RAM and storage. This reduces background load and speeds I/O. Make sure to reboot after clearing cache so the system rebuilds fresh caches and you can measure real improvement. Now you optimize runtime. Set window, transition, and animator animation scales to 0. 5x to make UI feel snappier. Then limit background processes in developer options to 2 or 3 to reduce CPU contention. This helps foreground apps respond faster. Disable or freeze pre-installed bloatware and switch heavy apps to their light versions when available, because fewer background services equal lower memory pressure. Once configured, run common tasks and watch finish by enabling adaptive battery and using battery saver to restrict abusive apps and extend uptime while keeping performance steady. If you still notice stutters, wipe the cache partition from recovery mode to remove corrupted temporary files that survive reboots. As a final measure, perform a factory reset only after a full backup. This resolves deep software issues but erases personal data. If reset fails, try reinstalling firmware via MyFlash. If that seems risky, seek professional service to avoid bricking the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.